Hey folks, in this video, we're going to show you a simple system that will and can deliver you unlimited payments 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whether you up or whether you're asleep or get out of bed or not. Folks, discover how unlimited cash payments deposit directly into your favorite payment processor account can help you on a daily basis. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, I am Timothy Thomas, and I am super excited to talk to you about an opportunity, folks, that is absolutely a game changer. Folks, you want to talk about an income generating miracle. This thing is jaw-dropping fun. It's very exciting. We're going to go over some income examples. We're going to show you some income examples of what we feel that you can make with this program and what you can do. Folks, if you can put a little traffic to it, tell somebody, drop off a drop card, mail a postcard, put it on your Facebook wall. Folks, if you can get people to a lead capture page, you can potentially take up many $247 payments on a weekly, daily basis. Again, income disclaimer, nothing in life happens until you take action. I'm going to show you some of my results. Some of my results, guys, first day results are absolutely jaw-dropping. Now, let me tell you what, my results may not be typical, but they are achievable. And again, folks, there are no guarantees in life. Besides death and taxes, hit the like button, guys. Oh, make sure you hit the like button. Hit that like button and the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. But yeah, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel about money-making activities. I want to talk about this program. I've got a couple of videos, folks, right here, a couple videos on this program here. Guys, this thing is brand new. It was just launched a day or two ago, and we could not be more excited. As Reverend Wilson's got a couple of videos here going, and it's just brand new. The ink's drying on it. And when you get a chance, guys, come over again, subscribe to my channel. And this channel is about money-making opportunities and activities that can help improve the quality of your life. Every one of these programs are working. All cylinders are blasting. Could not be more excited. And folks, check out the leverage profit system, the big ticket postcard here, guys. All these programs, just when you get a chance, guys, check them out. They're absolutely amazing. So much proof has came through the leverage profit system the last few days. I hadn't even uploaded proof videos. It's staggering. And work from home has never been this good, and it's only going to get better. And let me tell you again, it's only going to get better from here on out. Absolutely amazing. But okay, we're going to talk about what we feel that you can make with this program. Let me get into it. Again, this is a plug and play system that anybody putting forth minimum effort can win in this program. It's a side hustle, guys, that can, what we're going to do, we're going to use this program on the front end to help drive traffic to our bigger ticket programs and our long-term residual programs on the back end. I'm not going to do a video about it every single day, but while it's new, I wanted to get it out there, make sure people understand what we have, the value, the products that you can get, and let you know, guys, three payments, folks, of 4 equals up to $1,000. And it's just absolutely amazing what you can do between now and Christmas with this program. People can pay you directly into your favorite payment processor account, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and much more. Don't get off this video, guys, until I show you how much came in my first day. First day in this program is absolutely incredible. It's a plug and play system that works while you sleep. People send you money all over this country that you don't even know. Here are some of my results. First day. Look at this, folks. First day commissions. I had 3 sales in one single day in this program, folks, and we're on the second day, and I'm telling you what, hang on tight. Here we go. Could not be more excited about what we've got going on. There's some more people that have created accounts. Payments could come over today, so I'll bring you an update, folks, maybe in a few days or next week sometime. I got other businesses I got to advertise, but hey, guys, could not be more excited about this program. Let's go through it and show you what's involved. You're going to get when you join, you're going to get a lead capture page. Let's look over here. It looks just like this. People are going to put their name and their email address in this lead capture page. And this thing's going to work for you. This thing's converting at about 44%, meaning that 44 out of 100 people that come to this page is going to give you their name and your email address, their email address. And the system's going to follow up on your behalf. If they don't join the first time or the second time, this is going to drip on them until they become acquainted with the system. Folks, this is exciting times. Do you have a Cash App? Do you have a Zelle? Do you have Venmo? Do you have Stripe? Manual payment. Folks, the sky is the limit as to what you can do with this program. Let's look at a piece of this video. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to sneak around and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the back office. But I want to look at the income potential. Then we're going to go to back office. I want to show you some of the marketing tools, resources that we're going to use. You can market this thing using solo ads, online, offline, Facebook page, Twitter. Everybody can mail a postcard. Folks, it is just that simple. I've ordered postcards today. However you want to do drop cards, we have them at your disposal in this program. Let's go over here and look at a piece of the video. Welcome to MAP. Before that, guys, get ready. Get ready to be blown away.
Charges for you. Here's what you get. You get a complete sales funnel, and here's what's inside. A prospect pulling capture page that redirects people to the information on your behalf.
Look at that.
A dynamic sales page that does all the selling and telling for you, while you just sit back, relax, and let our tools do the work. You are on that sales page right now. We are also including a customized auto responder with pre-built, professionally written letters that go out to all your prospects. So yes,
folks, look at the value that we have here. This is a system that has a capture page marketing system built around it. All programs don't have that. This right here is just a gift to the average marketer. You don't have to be a rock star. All you have to do is take action, period, and do it over and over and over again.
We are following up for you, and as you know, the fortune is in the follow-up. You're getting a comprehensive members marketing portal that includes our tracking interface, which is our proprietary report software that keeps you on top of your business in real time. But wait, there's more. You also get full access to our done-for-you traffic. Without traffic, your system...
Folks, we've got done for you in the back office. You decide how much traffic you want. We can turn on traffic like water. That is incredible to me. It's done for you.
...is dead in the water. Let's face it, it's nice to have a cool system, but if no one gets to see it, you're not making those $247 payments. We help you get thousands of eyeballs looking at your sales funnel, and that's exactly what you need. Here's an example of the results one of our members had this week. He spent around $100 to get hundreds of views to his capture page, and look at the results. He had 2 signups for $494 directly deposited into his Cash App account. Here's a young lady who spent a bit more, and she enrolled 4 people from just one traffic source. She pocketed $988 from that one traffic campaign. What I like most about this system is that it's just a one-time charge, and you can continue to earn those $247 payments for the rest of your life.
Folks, once you buy the system, it belongs to you for the rest of your life. That's exciting.
By simply offering your sales funnel out to the marketplace. And if you want to go big, just use our traffic packages to get the word out to the masses. That's right, mass marketing. There's even a way for you to get paid in other countries. Okay, now let's touch on the products.
Products, guys.
Make sense as the world is going digital because bookstores are closing and people are using their devices for discovering new products, new ideas, and new businesses just like My Automatic Pay. Digital or e-learning products are expected to hit $123 billion in sales by 2023, and we have a full library of products from which you can choose. Our niches cover marketing and health, the 2 most popular subjects on the web today, and we are always adding new products to keep your selection fresh and exciting. Within our product portal, you will also have access to our proprietary MAP digital marketing tool. which is responsible for helping multiple dozens of people escape the rat race and live life on their own terms. No boss telling them what to do. They live in freedom, deciding on what to do each day. And freedom is exactly why we do.
Folks, let me touch on that. If you're in a position, folks, you're on a job that you don't like, affiliate marketing, direct mail marketing has never been this good. It's only going to get better for as long as the world stands. Folks, this is the way that you head off to financial freedom. You get these simple systems and you start marketing. You do it over and over and over again and you keep going after it. Folks, you can name your income. It is absolutely possible to do it.
Do this business. Okay, here's how it works. There are 3 simple steps. You pay your enroller $247 one time. You also pay a one-time $33 setup fee. That's it. You are now in the members area. Number 2, register your profile and get your system set up and ready to accept those unlimited daily $247 payments. You'll set up your payment option in this step, and you can choose from Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, or have prospects pay you with a credit card. Number 3 is deciding on which traffic package you would like to implement so you can start seeing some results as soon as today. Traffic is the lifeblood of every business, and you will have as much as you need with MAP. Okay, that's it. A simple program that anyone can easily understand, but don't confuse simplicity with power. You have a simple program, yes, but it's also very powerful when you consider that enrolling just 5 people will earn you over $1,200. One of the most important factors in any business is knowing what your break-even point is. And with MAP, it's just one person.
One person, guys, folks, you're at break-even.
100% profit for you.
I'm going to show you this. Hang on tight. I'm going to show you. This is incredible.
Click that join button and we'll see you in the members area. I look forward to meeting.
Okay, folks, let me show you what's possible with MAPS. Get paid 24/7 over and over. Join the automatic, my automatic pay and start collecting unlimited $247 payments even while you're sleeping. We have our done for you traffic packages, folks. This is the fastest way to start collecting these $247 payments. Folks, I tell you what, you got 4 levels of traffic packages you can buy. The starter kit, the driver kit, the serious kit, and the advanced kit. Automation is key with MAPS. I mean, basically you set it up, run traffic, let it go. Traffic, opt-in, review, sales. That's incredible. We have a highly converting video sales letter that you just seen. Absolutely incredible. Convincing page. Autoresponder working 24/7. Folks, this is automation at its finest. Could not be more excited. I market several businesses. This is one that I'm most excited about. I'll be talking about some more this week, but this thing is on a tear. Member to member. The company never touches your money. They pay the admin fee and they pay you at the same time. The products are the digital library, and you get those products, those help products, and those products how to increase your wealth. Incredible. Here are the marketing products, guys. You got the marketing 2, the traffic generator, list building sources, generate income at will. Folks, that you can learn something from a system like this, how to get 1,000 subscribers within 30 days. Folks, I can show you how to get that in 1 week. Step 1, click the button that says join. Pay your enroll, the one-time $247. These are not recurring payments, just one time. Also pay the $33 setup fee. Register your profile. Get the system set up, ready to accept those $240 payments, and you're off to the races. Decide which traffic package you want and stop to implement these things to see results. Now, folks, this is what we believe that is possible with the program. Let's look at this. Let's dream a little bit outside the box. This is incredible to me. And I'm going to try to shift that over. Hang on. Here we go. Here is an example of the income potential with this system. 500 exposures, folks. 500 exposures to the system. You're looking at 3 to 7 sales at $247 per sale. 1,000 exposures, you're looking at 8 to 12 sales, $247. You're looking at discounted profits. Look at the numbers, folks. For 2,000, you're looking at exposures. You're looking at 13 to 17 sales. Folks, this is just absolutely exciting times. 5,000 exposures, you're looking at 18 to 22 sales, and that's what you're getting. This is a very exciting system. Could not be more excited. When you get a chance, folks, go ahead and get your system started. You can be set up today, tonight, whenever you're looking at this video, to start collecting unlimited $247 payments, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Can you imagine getting postcards out there, a couple solo ads out there, telling a couple people what could happen for your income? Folks, a few $1,000s is possible within a week or two in this program. It is possible. All right, folks, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Bye for now. Welcome to MAP, and we'll see you absolutely at the top.